Good morning, Ayesha. How are you today?
Good morning, sir. I'm fine, thank you.
That's good to hear. Did you complete your homework about your daily routine?
Yes, sir. I wrote 10 sentences about my daily routine and practiced speaking them.
Excellent. Would you like to read them aloud?
Yes, sir. Reading. I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I brush my teeth and take a shower. I eat breakfast with my family. I go to school at 7:30 a.m. I attend my classes and study hard. I come back home at 2 o'clock. I eat lunch and take some rest. I do my homework in the evening. I play with my friends. I eat dinner with my family and go to bed at 10 p.m.
Wonderful, Ayesha. Your pronunciation is clear and your sentences are correct. I'm very proud of you.
Thank you, sir. I practiced many times.
And it shows. Practice really makes a big difference. Now, today we will learn how to talk about your family in English. Are you ready?
Yes, sir. I am ready.
Okay. Tell me, how many people are there in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
Very good. Who are they?
My father, my mother, my brother, my sister, and me.
Excellent. Now, let's talk about each of them one by one. What does your father do?
My father is a teacher. He teaches mathematics in high school.
Great. And what about your mother?
My mother is a housewife. She takes care of our home. She cooks delicious food and helps me with my studies.
That's lovely. Mothers are always special. What about your brother?
My brother is older than me. He is in college. He studies computer science.
That's good. And your sister?
My sister is younger than me. She goes to school. She is in class 6.
Very good, Ayesha. You explained your family clearly. Let's correct one small thing. When you said, my brother is older than me, that's perfect. But sometimes people say, my elder brother than me. Both are correct, but we usually say elder before a noun. For example, my elder brother.
Oh, I see. So I can say, my elder brother studies computer science.
Exactly. Very good. You understood it perfectly.
Thank you, sir.
Now tell me, what do you like to do with your family on weekends?
On weekends, we like to watch movies together. Sometimes we visit our relatives, and sometimes we go to the park for a picnic.
That sounds wonderful. Do you help your mother at home?
Yes, sir. I help her in the kitchen. I cut vegetables, wash dishes, and sometimes make tea.
That's very nice. Helping at home shows responsibility.
Sir, how can I describe my family in a paragraph?
Good question, Ayesha. Let me show you a simple example, and then you can try. Here's an example. I have a small and happy family. There are 5 members in my family: my father, mother, brother, sister, and me. My father is a teacher, and my mother is a housewife. My brother is in college, and my sister goes to school. We love each other very much. We enjoy dinner together every night. My family always supports and motivates me. Now, can you try to make your own paragraph?
Okay, sir, I will try. There are 5 people in my family. My father is a teacher. My mother stays at home and cooks delicious food. My elder brother studies computer science in college. My younger sister goes to school. We live happily together. We watch movies on weekends. I love my family very much.
Excellent, Ayesha. That's a beautiful paragraph. Your sentences are simple and correct.
Thank you, sir. I learned from your example.
That's good. Remember, when you talk about your family, speak with warmth. Use kind and loving words, because family is our first school, and they are our first teachers.
That's true, sir. My mother always teaches me good manners, and my father helps me in my studies.
That's wonderful. You are lucky to have such a caring family.
Yes, sir. I love them very much.
Good. Now let's practice pronunciation again. Repeat after me. Family,
Family,
father,
father,
mother,
mother,
brother,
brother,
sister.
sister.
Excellent. Always speak clearly, Ayesha. Pronounce every sound, especially TH in words like brother and mother.
Yes, sir. I will practice the sound.
Good. You can practice by saying thank you, this, that, mother, father. Keep your tongue slightly between your teeth when you say th.
Ice, that, mother, father.
Perfect. You're improving fast.
Thank you, sir.
Ayesha, can you tell me what your parents teach you at home? Not about school, but about life.
My father teaches me to be honest and hardworking. My mother teaches me to be kind and helpful.
Those are wonderful lessons. Honesty, hard work, kindness, these values make a person truly educated, not just book knowledge.
Yes, sir. My parents always say, be a good person before being a successful person.
That's beautiful advice, Ayesha, and you are following it well.
Thank you, sir.
So, to summarize, when we talk about our family, we can use simple patterns like, there are blank people in my family. My father is a, my mother is a, we like to blank together. I love my family because...
Okay, sir. I will write these patterns in my notebook.
Very good. For homework, I want you to write a short paragraph about your family again, but this time add feelings and adjectives. Use words like loving, caring, happy, kind, hardworking.
Okay, sir. I will write that.
Excellent. In our next class, we will talk about friends, how to describe your friends, what you do together, and how to make polite conversations with them in English.
That sounds interesting. I can't wait for the next class.
I'm glad to hear that, Ayesha. You are learning very well. Keep this energy and confidence.
Thank you, sir. I will.
Great. That's all for today. Have a nice day, Ayesha.
Thank you, sir. You too.